A tree cutter, also known as an arborist, is a professional who is responsible for cutting and trimming trees. The job description of a tree cutter can vary depending on the specific job or company they work for, but generally includes the following responsibilities. Evaluating trees. A tree cutter must be able to evaluate trees to determine their health, condition, and structural integrity. Tree removal. Tree cutters are responsible for cutting down trees that are dead, diseased, or pose a risk to people or property. Tree trimming. Tree cutters must be able to trim trees to maintain their health, shape, and size. Pruning. Tree cutters must prune trees to remove dead or diseased branches, and to shape the tree to prevent it from interfering with buildings or power lines. Operating equipment. Tree cutters must be able to safely operate chainsaws, wood chippers, and other tree cutting equipment. Climbing trees. Tree cutters must be able to climb trees to reach high branches or to assess the condition of the tree. Cleaning up. Tree cutters are responsible for cleaning up debris and disposing of it properly. Safety. Tree cutters must follow safety protocols and wear proper protective gear to avoid injury. Customer service. Tree cutters must be able to communicate effectively with clients and provide excellent customer service. Overall, a tree cutter must have a good understanding of tree biology and must be able to safely and efficiently cut and trim tree.